How to get $35 promo code on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open any browser on your device that might be Chrome or Safari. Tap on the search bar and type in Uber promo code or Uber Eats discount code. Browse the search result to find websites offering promo codes. Make sure to choose the reputable sites to avoid scams. You need to scroll down and locate the particular sites, and after you find a site, you can easily tap on it and look for the valid promo codes. Here you can easily see the list of the over discount codes. So let's open and tap on more details. You can tap on it, and after that a menu box appears where you can easily see the promo code. You need to tap on copy voucher, and after it has been copied, you can easily use it on Uber Eats while checking out. So that is how we easily get $35 or more than that promo codes on Uber Eats. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.